This is demo 21. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake using by mirroring a sketch and also by using the circular pattern. So I already created this sketch, which is just a part of a segment of a snowflake. And the first thing I'm going to do is mirror this entire sketch to the other side of this y-axis. So I'm going to grab the mirror tool, click and drag around the entire sketch that I've made. And then click on the mirror line, which I haven't added yet. So I'm going to go back over here to the line tool and connect with a green dot the top and the bottom of the sketch, and then try that again. So mirror tool, I'm going to grab the entire sketch, click on mirror line, and then click on that line, which is the point that it's going to flip over. Click apply and then done. And so now I have a mirrored sketch. I'm going to click on that middle mirror line and delete it because I don't really want it to be part of my final sketch. And then I'm going to finish the sketch because it's much better to pattern an extrusion. And in class I told you that we want to make these 0.25 or 1/4 inch thick. And so it's much better to circular pattern an extrusion than a sketch because it restricts your access to some of the features when you pattern a sketch. So I'm going to pattern this extrusion, click on circular pattern. This is what I want to pattern, and I'm going to just use this bottom edge as my rotation axis, which is the easiest way to get a rotation axis. I can change this to more than 6. I could do 7 or 8. And then I'm going to click OK. If you did not have that base point to work from where it tapers down to a corner, you can either add that or you'll have to find another way to add an axis to circular pattern around. So that's one way to make a snowflake, and this is the end of the demo.